Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, and by the way, I'm Jackson, and for this episode guys, exciting na naman yung pag-uusapan natin because in this video, I will show to you the top 17 World Heritage Sites. Let's go! By the way guys, if you're new to my channel, actually guys, this channel is intended for YouTube tutorials, motivations, success stories about business and about financial literacy, and most especially guys, about travel. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be updated for my latest video. Now guys, going back to our main topic for the day. Actually guys, what does it mean to be a World Heritage Site? A World Heritage Site is a landmark or area selected by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization or UNESCO for having cultural, historical, scientific, or other form of significance, which is legally protected by the international treaties. For centuries or even millenniums, some of the most astounding sites of ancient times were forgotten or hidden from the world, buried under jungles, deserts, or farmers' fields around the globe. Rumors of lost cities or chance discoveries by people going about their everyday lives have led to unimaginable finds that are today open for the world to see. Many of these have been designated UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Some incredible sites have been around and attracting tourists for hundreds of years and are as fascinating now as they were when they were first uncovered. It may be a cliche to say there has never been a better time to explore the greatest sites on the planet, but it is also true. While they're all significant, some are arguably more impressive than others. Here is our list of best World Heritage Sites. Number 17, Easter Island. Number 16, Lishan Giant Buddha, China. Number 15, Chichen Itza, Mexico. Number 14, Lascaux and Lascaux II, France. Number 13, Mayan Ruins of Tikal, Guatemala. And number 12 guys is Petra, Jordan. Number 11 is Terracotta Army, China. Our top 10 is Mesa Verde, USA. Our top 9 guys is Borobudur, Indonesia. And our top 8 is Stonehenge, England. Our top 7 is Acropolis of Athens, Greece. Top 6 guys is Roman Colosseum, Italy. And our top 5 is Great Wall of China. Top 4, Angkor Wat, Cambodia. And our top 3 is Bagan, Myanmar. Our top 2 guys is Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. And our top 1 guys is Machu Picchu, Peru. So guys, yun ang top 17 World Heritage Sites. Hope guys, you learned something from this video. So for more videos to come, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be updated for my latest videos. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless.